muffins. It's Jackie and Jackie's Cooking. And today we are going to make white rice. Now I know this is something that people get scared to make. It seems intimidating and you're afraid the rice is going to get too mushy. And well, just lay back and watch and I'll show you how to get it right, okay? Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go ahead and do so. And don't forget to press that notification bell so you can get weekly updates on all of my delicious recipes. Don't forget to like and share. Let everybody know Jackie's Cooking. So guys, we have some rice, salt, oil, and we're going to need water. That's it. That's all we need, okay? And we're going to get to cooking. We're going to use this as our measurement. I got 2 glassfuls of rice, and I'm going to use 3 glassfuls of water, okay? Okay, so the first thing, of course, we're going to clean our rice. Now, I've heard there's a debate, if you wash the rice, you're taking out all the nutrients. Listen, rice gets handled by people, okay, but goes through different hands. And sometimes you could find little bugs in rice or little rocks. Do yourself a favor. Wash your rice, okay? So, we just got in some cold water and just rinsing, seeing if there's any rocks in there, anything. I usually do this about 2 to 3 times. Okay? So a lot of that milky, cloudy water is the starch. Okay, so we're just rinsing it. If there's anything that you're feeling for, anything that looks out of place, take it out. Okay? Okay? And I know this is something that people feel intimidated to do. And I guess it's because people don't know the precise measurements. Their rice might come out mushy or their rice might come out hard, but we're going to get it, okay? So I'm going to rinse this one more time. And as you can see, the water is not as milky, but just as long as you don't see any rocks or anything like that, 2 to 3 times is fine. So I'm using regular white rice. I usually cook with jasmine or basmati rice. For some reason, Haitians prefer to use that rice, because growing up, that's the kind of rice we used anyway. Alright, so guys, I am going to take the same glass that I used to put the rice, to measure the rice. I'm going to put that into a pot. So since I used 2 glassfuls like that of rice, I'm going to use 3 glassfuls of water. You see what I'm saying? So if you used 1 cup of rice, you would use 2 cups of water. It's always an extra cup, okay? That's how I do it, okay? We're adding some oil. And the measurements are in the description box below. Some salt. And we're going to let this come up to a boil, okay? On high heat, all right? I like jasmine rice, guys, because I just love the texture. It's grainier, and so is basmati. So our water is boiling, it's on high heat, and we're gonna add our rice. Now guys, how you're gonna know that you have enough water, you wanna see a little mound peek out over the water, okay? Once you see that mound right there, that lets you know that you have the precise amount of water. But keep in mind, every rice is different. I know with jasmine rice, you might need a little less, but we're not using jasmine rice today, okay? So, one step at a time. Okay, so we're gonna stir it just a little bit, and we're gonna let that come up to a boil again on high heat, okay? So now guys, as you can see, when the water is at this low point right here, we're gonna bring it down to medium. We're gonna bring it down to medium heat now, okay? We're not gonna stir it yet. We're gonna bring it down to medium heat, and when the water starts to disappear, then we're gonna bring it down to right here. You see the little dimples? That means all the water's gone, and we're gonna bring it down to low, your lowest heat, okay? So we're gonna stir the rice once, you know, we're gonna go under and turn, under and turn. Don't turn it too much, okay? And you're gonna keep it on low heat. I'm gonna cover it with a little aluminum foil. I don't know, it just makes the rice steam better for me. But you don't have to. And we're gonna walk away. Put the lid on, walk away, 20 minutes, don't disturb it. Leave it alone, walk away. And we'll be back in 20 minutes. But of course, the magic of TV, voila. Okay, so this is our rice, okay? So now we're going to fluff up our rice. This is after 20 minutes, okay? And guys, something I forgot to tell you, when you salt your water, taste your water to see how much salt, you know, just make sure you taste your water, okay, to adjust the salt, okay? So we're gonna use a fork to fluff up our rice. So as you can see, it's nice and fluffy, it's not mushy. I can't stand mushy rice. Oh, I like my rice nice and grainy, and you know, so we're fluffing up our rice, and that's it. That's it. You see how easy that was? You know, taste it. Have it with whatever you want, you know. But with practice, guys, trust me, you'll get it. I understand. It's, you know, you want to get the perfect rice. And with this technique, I'm pretty sure you'll get it. With practice, that's what it is. Practice makes perfect. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna, you know, I ain't gonna decorate no plate on it. I'll just put it on a simple plate. I want you to see it. You could do this, guys. Keep practicing. Listen, you got this, okay? Just keep loving one another, guys.